Good morning, students. Today we are going to start chapter number 4, and chapter number 4 is heat. Let's start the chapter with one question. Why we wear woolen cloths in winter and cotton in summers? Then why we wear? The reason is that woolen cloths are generally dark in color and trap the air in it. The fibers of the woolen cloths, they trap the air in it and do not allow body heat to go out into the environment and we feel hot. And the second, why cotton in the summers? Then because cotton is a breathing fiber, it allow air to pass through it, and they are light in color, and we prefer to feel to wear in the summers. They absorb the heat, they absorb the sweat, and we feel cool. That's why we prefer to wear winter in the winters woolen and in the summers cotton clothes. Then next, why cotton in the summers? Because cotton is a breathing fabric. It allow air to pass through it. That's why it is comfortable to wear in the summers. It we feel cooling effect in the cotton. That's why we wear cotton in summers and woolen cloth in the winters. Now, okay, now we are going to start the chapter. The first is hot and cold. Hot and cold. Or now see, we very often use the word hot and cold. It is quite cold today. My coffee is still very hot, and water in this lake is icy cold. But how do we come to know whether something is hot and cold? Then, to understand if an object is hot and cold by uh, sense of touch. To measure the temperature, we use the thermometer. We use a thermometer. It is a apparatus which is used to measure the temperature. The temperature of what is the what's the meaning of the temperature? The hotness and coldness, the degree of hotness and coldness of the object is called temperature. What is the temperature? It is a degree of hotness and coldness of an object. Is it okay? Okay. Then to measure the hotness and coldness, we required one apparatus that is called the thermometer. What is a thermometer? It is a device that can be used to find out how hot an object is. In other words, we can say thermometer is used to measure the temperature of the object. It means the object is how much cold and how much hot. Now next, this is a table. In this table, there are some objects are given to you as the ice cream. Then second is spoon in a teacup. The next is fruit juice. Then handle of a frying pan. Now see, you have to tick in it either it is hot or cold. Now see, ice cream. In which category you will categorize it? Ice cream, it is cold or it is warm? Obviously, it is cold. The next is spoon in a teacup. If in a teacup, obviously it will be hot, then you are a spoon is dipped in it, then the spoon will be hot. Okay, next is fruit juice. Fruit juice in normal temperature it is cold or warm, hot. Obviously it will be cold or cool. The next is handle of a frying pan. A handle of a frying pan. Handle of frying pan is normally it is made up of a material which is insulator of heat, then it will be cool. And sometime if it is metallic handle, then only it will become the hot. Is it okay? Now, if it is metallic handle, then it may be hot also. Now next. Today we will see one activity. In this activity, you have to take one, two, three You can take the water tub or simply three mugs. In the first one, it means A, you have to take the hot water. Okay, do it, put it in it, cold water. Then in the second, hot water, and in the third, normal water. Okay, you have to take the three mugs or three water tub. In first one, you will put the cold water, and the second one, you have to put the hot water, and in third, normal water. Okay. Now, what you have to do? You have to dip your left hand in the mug A, left hand in this left hand. Then B, you have to put your right hand in B. Okay, your left hand should be in A and right hand should be in B. A is cold and B is hot. Then you will feel what you will feel. Your left hand will be cool. It will be cold because it is in the cold water. And next, your right hand will be the hot because it is hot water. Now do one thing, take out both the hands and now dip into the third one. When you will dip into the third one, now tell me, do both the hands get the same feeling? No, both the hand will not feel the same temperature. Now see, the first left hand which was in the cold water, that will feel the hotness. That will feel the hotness. And the right hand which was in the hot water, that will feel the coldness. It means the sense of the this touch, feeling touch. We cannot always rely on it. Is it okay? Then we need something to measure the reliable temperature. Then for that we have to use the thermometer. A reliable measure of the hotness of the object is called its temperature and can be measured by thermometer. Is it okay?